Sonske ehti jo Vantaa ravuri.
Yes, the date is the 2nd of July 2021, and I believe this was finished in late 1984. It has the black Kone logo here.
Yeah.
And what was the address again?
Laukkarinne 3.
Laukkarinne 5 actually.
5.
Is B.
Yeah.
This is B. We'll go to Tricycus A later.
Yeah.
And look at this. It's Madonna's first album, I think, is here, Like a Virgin. This is because this elevator actually was also built in 1984, same year when it came out. It's pretty cool. Interesting. Yeah, but finished in late 1984. The serial number is H62392. Turned 35 years old in 2019. Will be inspected in next year, 2022. And I like this here, as it's like where you push the door. It's a bit slow, but we can still ride it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Best these 4 persons or 300 figures. Bad maintenance by Otis. Practice. Otherwise amazing. And I forgot to say this is in Hakunila, Håkanspäällä, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. The blue logo inside here.
Yeah.
Or this could also be the summer 1984, but probably finished in autumn maybe.
One road is enough.
Oh yeah, someone coming.
Yeah. That's